All right, everyone. So now that we've gone over our pre-ride check, we want to make sure we have all the appropriate gear on now that it's time to actually get on the bike and start riding. So we're gonna go from toe to head here. So we got some nice TCX boots here. These things are Italian and waterproof and zippers and all kinds of cool stuff. And they got some good ankle protection in there, and they're ready to go. Even some reinforced soles on them. See the bottom, anti-crush soles. You can even see the D30 armor inside there, that orange anti-crush for your foot. So we're good to go there, and we want to make sure it's above the ankle to protect ourselves, foot and ankle there. Going up the pants, these are some nice Kevlar reinforced riding jeans that she's got on. You can also get some that have armor in the knees and take those armor out if you don't need them on certain days. Going up from there, we got a nice leather jacket. I don't remember the make. Not worth mentioning because they're not sponsoring this video, so we won't worry about it yet. But pretty sick leather jacket. We got the sailor soldiers here. Yeah, Street and Steel, we'll give them the shout out, and if they want to sponsor us, they can hit us up, let us know. But pretty cool jacket. It's got all the armor in the elbows going here, in the shoulders. She also has a nice big back protector, spine plate right here, and this is all good to go for a nice quality leather jacket. Oh yeah, also got some sweet air vents here to show that even though it's leather, you can get some good airflow with these jackets. And let's make sure we got our extremities all covered. So we also got some nice gloves on here. We want to make sure that they're got some nice leather palms, and that the backs have some reinforced knuckles here, some added protection for your hands. Make sure you're all good to go. And going up from there, there's Instructor Val herself. And last but not least, and probably most important, make sure you have a good quality helmet on. This one is a Bell helmet. Don't remember the specific model, but notice that it's DOT as well as ECE certified. That's what you want for your helmet. You can ride anywhere in the world with that bad boy, ready to go.